Let's just skip this part when I'm gonna explain who I am.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
So when I was a kid, I liked to play football, soccer, and I had this game called EA Sports, like FIFA or something like that. So it says to me to select home team as your starting lineup in PC Mobile. Oh my god, okay guys. It's like that scene from Far Cry.
Fuck you! Okay.
Korktang? So, which team I'm gonna choose? I can choose like from Real Madrid, from the topest ones, and like some kind of like Celtic. I was like recently living in Istanbul, so let's just choose Galatasaray. Okay, so we can claim now some kind of prizes. Like, I remember these things, like these cards and everything. This is the best part from this game, because gameplay basically sucks. Because after like FIFA 15, I think, they for some reason changed in mobiles, like they starting to do it like very bad way. Okay, tap to open. Okay, let's go. Messi. Who is this guy? Osimhen. Okay, other ones. We have Sané. Or this one is different somewhere. I don't know. Okay, everyone is from Galatasaray, so there is no point to like opening one by one, you know. Okay, I will eat rocks. Minerals.
The rocks, Hank.
They're minerals.
I'm depressed.
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Okay, let's play. I don't care. Okay, bro, I know how to do that shit. And we have the best team already. Like, what's the point of a game if I have already the best ones? Like 90 is very good. Like, was very good. For now, I don't. Or we gonna play with historical team or something. This one is from Australia, by the way, this t-shirt. Can I just run? Like, just sprint. It's so easy, bro. I can already like hit the ball and just score it. Like, it's too easy. What are you celebrating about? Like, it's too easy, bro. It's too easy. Yılmaz. Okay, we playing for Galatasaray. Çok güzel. Teşekkürler. Ananı seveyim. Okay. I like this part when you drawing the shots, you know. Çok güzel. Yaratam. Seviyorum. Çok seviyorum. Offside. What the hell? I think he was offside, but it's okay. He's autistic. Galatasaray, Ginebes. I have tactics, by the way, like when you... I'm just dribbling. Just for fun. Okay, when you hitting someone and he's like injured, just don't touch the ball and it's gonna be fine. Because if you will touch the ball, they gonna make penalty or something like that, you know, some shoot. Because like you touch the ball, you injure the person. If you're not touching him, all gonna be good. Oh, we have another this pack. No, I don't like this one. I need with players. I need to open things, you know. Okay, I can claim someone. Palmer, Barcola from France. Let's take this one. From Chelsea. I don't care. I don't know. Just... Do I have player? No. I don't have player. I'm not even reading this, you know. I just want to play. Oh, let's... I hope I'm gonna win Messi or someone like that. Mesut Özil. Oh, Oh, Marchisio. I don't know how to pronounce that. Not Italian, bro. Bro, my team is already like the best. Why it's so easy? Why it became so easy? Okay. Ooh. Oh, we have new uniform for racism. No room for racism. I thought like I just room for racism. I didn't read like first parts. I just read racism and I thought like, what the hell, t-shirt with racism? What are you doing? Like for real? Oh my god. Okay, I like this t-shirt. No for racism. I just wanna open the gifts, you know? I don't wanna play. I don't wanna play football, I just wanna... Thank you for money. I'm like a whore now. Oh yeah, by the way, I saw in one game he has this kind of things like in his face. What is it? Like, is it allowed? I wanna a bit change my team. Will change. Okay. How to change? I don't care. Can I have?
And that hamburger with a bottle of water.
Okay, Galatasaray Pacific Holding. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Türkçe. Arslanlar. It's too easy, bro. This game is too easy. Like, I don't know why is that so. Okay, I hope I'm playing with a real person. I just wanna rocks. I just wanna. Why he has just a little bit good players and others are like fucked up. Oh my god. He kicks so badly, I thought it's gonna just pass, you know? Okay, it's easy. I'm gonna just like... Yeah. Bro. You're too weak for me.
No.
By the way, I was telling about my t-shirt. It's like from Australia and I only now understood that it's basically from football. Okay, I can. This one I... Offside, oh my god. I don't have rocks anymore. Life is pointless. Just my goalkeeper, like, bro is fucked up. Okay, let's pass. Abi, just shoot. Yeah, Gabriel. Let's go. Çok güzelsin abi. Ben seni seviyorum. It's like mean I love you, brother, like big brother. I have same language with Turkish people, that's why it's a little bit interesting, I think. I'm just even not watching. Oh, let's play without watching. Okay, I cannot, okay. There is not gonna be any challenge. I'm just gonna dribble. Dribble. Just pointless dribbling, you know. I wanna do like this. I don't care. At least it get to me, you know. I'm not stupid. Why you shoot it? I just wanted to give for running, you know. Okay, I won. Doesn't matter. Can I get new players? Like, yes. Ronaldo. No. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm not gonna play this anymore. It's too much for me. It's too much. Just put like if you want to see more. Like, we're gonna play for Galatasaray. If you wanna see, let's see. For now, that's it. Bye. Oh, these rocks. No, guys, I'm not crazy. I'm for real. Like, it's just rocks, like candy. Okay. I think it's not funny.